Hello, my Debbie guys. Hello, my new subscribers. I hope you guys having a blessed night. Yes, it is nighttime. Woo, I've been resting today. I didn't have to work, help at the restaurant today, but he called and said he needed me tomorrow because they having a meatloaf dinner. So anybody in Courtside, come to the VFW and come get some of that good old meatloaf. You know what, guys? That really helps me a lot. I got to thinking about it. I can eat breakfast and then I take a plate home. Wow, that saved me a lot of money. Guys, I want to tell you guys, I got a plan. I really do. I have a plan. Yes, you'll see. I got a plan. I listened to Miss Carol. That's Gloria Life on Wheel. She said, Debbie, you need to write down stuff and have a plan. Your next move, what you're going to do. I have a plan. And you guys are going to see my plan. You'll see it. I have a plan. It's going to take us a couple of months, but I have a plan. But as I was at the restaurant, guys, guess what? This couple came in and said, hey, didn't we meet and talk to you at the laundromat? I said, yes. We had a good conversation. And I was telling them some things. They said, ooh, wow. You know what? We were thinking about you. And we was trying to find somewhere for you to rent, calling people so you can get out that hot sun. And look what they blessed me with, you guys. A new 32-inch TV. It was on my list to buy one. It works so nice. I have a TV. Woohoo! I don't have to be screeching my eyes and look at my phone because that saved me some money too. Because I was gonna buy a TV next month. Because I'm saving and I'm going about doing stuff like every month. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you a little upgrade I did, a little DIY. What I'm gonna do is start in my bedroom first because it's more easier and gonna be more cheaper. But all I did was got this paint, made a whole lot different. Look at the paint. Remember it was flower wallpaper. Hope you guys can see it. Let me turn up this light right here. Oh, that's real dark. But, and I did the bathroom. Did the bathroom. Doing it myself. It's what I do. And remember the step was blue. And I had enough to do. I just got a little thing because I didn't know if I was going to like the paint. And I did the back of the bed. I did the back of the bed. Guys, when I finish my bedroom, you'll see, you'll be saying like, wow, it's really homey in there. That paint. Let me turn off the light, maybe you can see it. I had to get one more can. And I'm gonna make this out my closet. This side right here. I'm gonna put up make me some doors here, sliding door. You'll see it. See, I be thinking out the box. You'll see it. And guys, over here with this empty spot where I moved, what do you think I'm gonna make right here? This spot. See, I needed that high space. And guys, you see this bed? It's gonna be a little different. This bed gonna be different too. And what else I'm gonna? You'll see. I'm just doing little changes because as I say, I'm doing like month to month, putting some money away. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get a truck. But I do have someone who will move me for $50 around locally anywhere I want to go if I need to move. But I'm not planning on moving anytime soon. Not in 3 months. 3 months I'm staying here. 3 months in this spot. The dresser is here for temporarily. I might paint it. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna use the dresser. I'm not gonna use it. Cause I'm gonna build my own fireplace. You'll see. But I'm gonna start in the bedroom. It'll be easier and cheaper. Because I have to get a seat to go here. A sofa. I'm thinking about a day bed or a futon so I can let it out of bed if somebody come and spend the night or whatever. If I have company, they can stay if I have company. And that's all for now. Until my next video, I might be finished. I don't know. But until then, I hope everyone having a blessed night. And don't forget to hit like and share. Hit like and share this video and watch the ads, please. I'm trying to make that money, honey, that money. Well, until next time, I love you guys, and I'm sending out virtual hugs to everyone. And thank you guys for all your love and your support. I really do appreciate it. And I really do appreciate each and every one comments. Guys, you can join my channel for just 99 cents. That'll give you a star by your name. You will stand out. Stand out, and I will get to you first. Your comment will stand out, and I can text you first. I will text you first. And when I do a live, you will stand out too. Just 99 cents. That's all I wanted mine to be, 99 cents. I just did it because it's an app and it's just cool. You don't have to. It's just something, just cool. Just an app to go with YouTube, and it's just cool to do. You can join my channel. I have one where you can join and I go live, and it's just my member only channel, and we talk about things that I don't talk about. Just get to know me better, get to ask me questions, and I answer. But yes, and what else? Something else I wanted to say. Sharing is caring. Until next time, bye, 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 bye. Good night, everyone.